Here we are on UJ the past, going to do the past 3 days. I got one marked out here for a 5R. A little bit out of strategy because it doesn't have any liquidity on the left here, but it does work out. The next one here, you wouldn't have taken this one just because you've got this consolidation here, so you wouldn't have taken that one. And the day before, 16th, got one marked out here for 1.7. Still a little bit risky because it does have all this consolidation, but all this momentum carries it through. And we're always doing those tight stop losses too, just a couple candles past, one or two candles past. Next one here, 1.3. Not ideal, but it still works out. You got this momentum here, pushes it through. So next one, don't think there's anything for the last day here. Oh, this one here. Yeah, you got this consolidation here, so you don't want to take that. And it does look like it's just kind of downtrending, so you do want to be cautious for sure. So that's the past 3 days. If you guys are interested in checking out the indicator, leave a link in the description. And that's it. All right, see you next time, guys. Cheers.